Khlieh jangkalam kra Malki constituency ka Dr. Ampareeen Lyngba kalapan pau ka jingkemen ba ka jing up ka bala shisnem shiteng banyo pen kynriah ye ki badie madan ha ka than lam kra kala urlong ha ka sining kong wala kam kwa ban kan thoi ei halor ka ni henry kala shu ai khuble ki nong shong shnong halor ka jingla ban pen kynriah ye ki badie madan ha ka ni ka than kan pau chief executive officer ka Shillong municipal board upiki buro uliat hu babaro ki basong de madan ha ka than lam kra kila Mynjur ba kinit shong no ha ki artili ki chaka balapen kre ka wei ka de habarik pon ka brightwell bangalo bat ka wei adhan kiti ka chaka baju penyang kali habakran jikila pathai ko bor ha ka step jang ka singing kong ka bade ka sngi ka bakhadu ka jing ipod ya baro ki bade madan ba kin kynriah no shaki chaka balabu usi u le tho babaro ki bade madan kila Mynjur ban let shaki chaka baladap shna kerpang da ka sorkar jela la ban ong bagi nong trei ka Shillong municipal board kila stang ban pen kynriah bot komju ru ban pen prano iki dukan balatei de ki bade madan naduh ka step jang ka singing kong balayo iru ba ki nong shong shnong ki nong yalam shnong wala kim tre ban kran chakila pathai khubor kila shong bet triang ha police point lam kra khnang ba kani ka jing pen kynriah iki ba shong de madan kan long ka ba se so bar ka balat na ki huri hura
request na kalian
Today we have done this relocation of Mawphor area and Laban. They will be located in Dhan Kheti and Bridal Bungalow. Everything is done, everything has been arranged. It is very successful today.
But we see lots of Darbar Shillong people are also here.
No, they are witnessing. They are witnessing. They are witnessing the process. That's all.
Can you elaborate on the resolution of these houses here? What is the status of the municipal?
No, here we have got 86 houses. All will be located in Dhan Kheti and Bridal Bungalow. Everything is arranged, everything has been done. They are obeying, they are complying, they are cooperating with us. That's all.
No,
thank you.
Are you accepting that the complaint of the hawkers? But it said only one day, if they say they can go selling.
No, this is not about 1 day, 2 days, no. We have issued already the relocation notice, giving them 1 month time. And today is the day for their relocation.
They are accept or not?
Yeah, they have accepted, all accepted.
Regarding the hawkers from the jail road, what about the...
No, that's a different issue.
Can you tell us what